Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most unexpected geopolitical developments unfolding in Europe. Denmark's strategic shift and why some analysts are beginning to ask whether Europe could be moving toward a broader crisis. On the surface, Denmark is a small country with a population under 6 million. But historically, small European countries have often shaped major continental decisions. Right now, Denmark is quietly influencing major debates about migration, security, defense, and Europe's relationship with global powers. What makes this moment different is that Denmark is no longer just following European trends. It is actively trying to shape them. To understand why Denmark's strategy matters, we need to look at Europe's current environment. Europe is facing multiple overlapping pressures. The war in Ukraine changed Europe's security thinking. The United States is becoming less predictable in its commitments. Global competition with China is growing, and migration remains politically sensitive across the continent. Denmark has positioned itself at the center of all these issues by pushing policies that focus on security, border control, and European self-reliance.